There's a keyboard shortcut that pops the playhead where your cursor is. Yo, are you still clicking on the time ruler every time you want to move the playhead in Premiere? I mean, that is how I've been doing it since video editing kindergarten. Justin Odisho, the video editing GOAT. The man who's taught me 99% of everything I know in video editing and who I literally owe my career to. I haven't seen him do this trick, so maybe, just maybe, I'm gonna teach him something. I love you, Justin. One day I'm working on a video that has 8 layers, 8. And these layers have nests with layers in them. Layers on layers on layers on layers on layers. So I start noticing how repetitive it is. Every time I want to move the playhead, I gotta move up to the time ruler, click and drag, and then move back down onto the layers, and then move back up to the time ruler, and then move back down onto the layers. And so I ask a question. Is there a way to snap the playhead to where my cursor is?
Playhead.
Instead of finishing this video that I was way ahead of schedule on because I'm a boss,
Walk in and try out like a boss.
I swim through Adobe's help docs and find a shortcut that'll speed up my workflow faster than Sonic. Go to Edit, Keyboard Shortcuts, and in that little magnifying glass thingy, wait, what?
Why is it a magnifying glass?
Type Move Play, and then you'll see Move Playhead to Cursor. That's the one you want. Bind it to a key of your choosing. I choose Z because I love Dragon Ball Z. Now when you're in the timeline and you hit your keyboard shortcut, boom, you're there. You don't have to move up to the time ruler anymore. Or look how easy it is to use Premiere with this brand new keyboard shortcut. Wait, why am I doing a British accent?
British?
Old way? New way. But Yousef, what if I want to scrub? Hold the key down, lovely. But Yousef, it doesn't work anywhere else other than timeline.
Nani?
Bro, this is Premiere. You thought any of this was gonna make any sense? You should be down on your knees thanking Premiere for not crashing. Premiere, please. It's midnight. My rent is due tomorrow. Just please render this one video for me, please.
Are you joking me?
And there you go. I just saved you hundreds of thousands of seconds in your editing workflow. It's gonna compound like over time and over hundreds of video projects. Like, why did I make a video about this?